Welcome to Be Frank Crypto. Today we'll be discussing the different layer protocols within blockchains. Let's jump in. There's three main layer protocols that blockchains use for their ecosystems, layer 0, 1, and 2. There's also layer 3, but that's known as the application layer. It's the layer that hosts dApps as well as the protocols that allow the applications to function. Layer 3 applications give blockchain practical utility, enabling users to interact with the blockchain network through application programming interfaces, frameworks, scripts, and user interfaces. Layer 0 protocols is the hardware infrastructure layer of the blockchain. It compromises the network of computers that contribute to the computing power and security of the blockchain network. These computers, known as nodes, decrypt transactions and play a vital role in the validation process. Layer 0 provides the foundational elements necessary for the operation of networks. Think of a layer 0 as the earth supporting the structure of a house. To improve network architecture, it supports numerous consensus techniques and peer-to-peer systems, including proof of work, proof of stake, proof of activity, proof of reputable observations, directed acyclic graphs, and others. Layer 0 supplements the three major pillars of blockchain: scalability, interoperability, and adaptability by providing block encryption and disguising the origin of the block via peer-to-peer relaying. There is three main elements that Layer 0 blockchain protocols have: main chains, side chains, and the inter-blockchain transfer protocol. These three elements complement each other to achieve the desired goals, which for most L0 protocols is providing interoperability and scalability for host networks. Some Layer 0 blockchains worth mentioning are Cosmos, Polkadot, and Avalanche. Layer 1 protocols refer to the base layer of a blockchain like Bitcoin and Ethereum. It's responsible for handling the core functions of a blockchain, including transaction processing, consensus mechanisms, and maintaining the ledger of all transactions. Layer 1 blockchains are typically decentralized and trustless, meaning they do not rely on a central authority and provide a high level of security and immutability. Layer 1 blockchains can validate and finalize transactions without the need for another network. Think of a Layer 1 as a public ledger. Think of a public ledger like a giant digital notebook that anyone can access and verify. Transactions are recorded in this ledger in a tamper-proof and transparent manner. No single entity has control over this ledger, and it is maintained collectively by a network of participants. Making improvements to the scalability of Layer 1 networks is difficult, as we've seen with Bitcoin. As a solution, developers created Layer 2 protocols that rely on Layer 1 network for security and consensus. A Layer 2 blockchain refers to a secondary protocol or framework built on top of a primary or Layer 1 blockchain. It is designed to enhance the scalability and functionality of the underlying blockchain network. Layer 2 solutions do not operate as standalone blockchains, but instead leverage the security and decentralization of Layer 1 blockchains while introducing additional features and scalability improvements. These solutions aim to address the limitations of Layer 1 blockchains, such as slow transaction processing times and high fees. Layer 2 solutions achieve this by processing transactions off-chain or through side chains, and then periodically settling the transaction data on the main Layer 1 blockchain. This approach significantly reduces the burden on the Layer 1 blockchain, allowing for faster and more cost-effective transactions. Some common types of Layer 2 solutions include state channels, side chains, roll-ups, and off-chain protocols. Think of a Layer 2 as an express lane or shortcut to help transactions bypass congestion and allow them to reach their destination faster at a much lower cost. Some Layer 2s worth mentioning are Polygon, Optimism, and Arbitrum. There you have it, folks. Which layer protocol you like best? Leave your thoughts in the comment section below. If you found this video informative, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell to get updated on all my latest content, and as always, just be frank.